So the topic of today's video is area of circles and sectors. In our objectives, I can state and use the formula for the area of a circle to find the area. I can use that formula to find the length of a radius or diameter of a circle. And I can find the area of a sector of a circle. So the area of a circle is equal to pi times the square of the radius. So if we were to write that, A would equal pi times r squared. So if we look at an example then, we want to find the area of our circle, and the radius is 2.5 millimeters. So A equals pi times 2.5 squared. If we square 2.5 and then multiply pi and round to the nearest hundredth, we get our area equals 19.63. Let's try that again. 19.63 square millimeters. We're dealing with area, so we're going to have our units squared, and again, it's not millimeters squared, it's square millimeters. Second one, we're going to work backwards here, and we are going to try and find the diameter of the circle. So if we plug 113.1 in for our A, we get 113.1 equals pi times r squared. So we divide both sides by pi, and we get 36.00 equals r squared. Now to get r by itself, we take the square root of both sides. We get r equals plus or minus 6, we take square root, but we can't have a negative length, so we can get rid of that negative value. So r equals 6, so our diameter equals 2 times 6, so our d equals 12 centimeters. Okay. Now, when we're talking about sectors, a sector of the circle is any part of it, any region bounded by two radii. So like we have here, we have a radius PA and radius PB, and so the sector is this area here. That's the sector of this circle P. And we can say the ratio of the area of a sector of a circle to the area of the whole circle is equal to the ratio of the measure of the intercepted arc to 360 degrees. So area of sector APB over the area of our circle, which is pi r squared, is equal to the measure of arc AB over 360 degrees. Or we can write it as area of APB equals measure of arc AB divided by 360 times pi r squared. And that's just, we move that pi r squared, multiply it on both sides, and that's what we end up with. So if we take a look at an example, we want to find the area of both sectors created by angle APB. So if we first take a look at this sector here, we have our area equals measure of arc AB over 360 times pi times 8 squared. And the measure of arc AB is the same as the angle, so it's 70 over 360 times 64 pi. 8 squared gives us 64. Multiply that through, and we get our answer to be 39.10, so 39 and 1/10 units squared, not units squared, square units. Okay, and secondly, we want to find this region, this sector, the Pac-Man looking one. And because we know that arc AB is 70, the measure of arc ASB equals 360 minus 70, so that equals 290. So the area of this one equals 290 divided by 360 times pi times 8 squared. Again, we have 290 times 360 times 64 pi. Multiply that through, and we get 161.97 square units. Okay, to review, the area of a circle is pi times the square of the radius, so A equals pi r squared. The ratio of the area of a sector of a circle to the area of the whole circle is equal to the ratio of the measure of the intercepted arc to 360 degrees. So area of sector equals measure of arc over 360 times pi r squared. Go online, do that reflection, answer the questions, ask any questions you might have, and we'll see you in class tomorrow.